allowed to touch. You can get as close as you want, but you're not allowed to touch. Just go and make sure that Michael's not tucked it in anywhere where you can't see it. Have a look. Sophie, shall I leave him like that? Shall I leave him like that? I thought she might say it. Give him a big, big round of applause for being such a good sport. Thank you. Sophie, go around the bar, find me the boy with the smallest one you can find. Don't say me. Quick as you can. Make sure it's a little one, though. Is it tiny? Stand over there for me. What's your name?
My name's Jamie.
Jamie.
Yeah.
Jamie, who are you with?
Becky, my girlfriend over there.
Is it true? Look, see? Even she says it's tiny.
Oh, great, there you go.
Is it really tiny?
It's like a cocktail sausage.
Like a cocktail sausage.
Okay.
Don't worry, you're going to like this. You might want to step back a little bit. Sophie, you don't know Jamie like I know him. Every time I click my fingers, it's going to double in size. What's this? What do you think? Where is it now? When I click my fingers, it's going to be here. Come here, come here, come here. Is that impressive?
Well, yeah.
Stand still, stand still, stand still. Face, Jamie. That's it. Sophie, when I click my fingers this time, it's going to poke you in the belly button. What do you think? Come here, there's nothing to be scared of. Stand there. Slap it, see if it ripples all the way back to him. Did it?
No.
Slap it a bit harder, that's it. And again. Put them back on. There you go. Slap it again. Faster. Just be a bit careful though. You never know what will happen. Yeah. Just keep an eye on his face. Yeah, he's fine. Right. Stand still. Sophie, look at me. When I click my finger this time, it's going to wrap itself round you. How's that feel?
I'm getting tied up.
How's it feel?
It just feels a bit tight, to be honest.
It feels tight?
Yeah.
Jamie, when was the last time a girl said that to you? Don't answer that. But does it feel nice?
Not really.
Sophie, look at me. Every time I click my fingers, it's going to get nicer and nicer and nicer and nicer and nicer and nicer. Nicer and nicer and nicer and nicer and absolutely wonderful now. How's that feel?
Beautiful.
Better and better and better and better and better and better and better now. How's that feel?
Amazing.
You know how that feels now? If you take that feeling, multiply it by 1,000, that's how it's going to feel now. Do you want me to leave him like that?
Yeah.
Okay, here's what I want you to do though, because you're going to have to help him carry it back to his chair now, okay? I want you to hold it for him, take him back to his chair, and when he sits down, throw it over his shoulder or wrap it round his neck or something. Excellent, just in time.
You're a tiddler.
Yeah, 50 for you, 50 for me. That's it, wrap it round him. No. Sit yourself down. And you can relax and sleep. Okay, now what should we do next? Okay, let's do this one quickly out. Get this one out of the way. Sleep. Yes, that's why I wanted you back. Okay, just talking to the three boys. You three boys, when the next piece of music comes on, you three boys will believe that you are doing the full Monty. You'll be up out of your chairs, performing the full Monty to the best of your ability. Now, you two girls, all the time that this is going on, you two girls will believe that you are world-class strippers. You will not take anything off, but you will dance rather suggestively. So two girls will believe you're world-class strippers, you will not take anything off, but you will dance rather suggestively. You three boys will believe that you are doing the full Monty. You can do whatever the hell you like, so I don't want to make off you go. Loveboat, give them some encouragement. Make some noise for them. I know what I Sophie! That's it. Boys, front of the stage! Impress these girls!
Baby, take off your coat.
Come on, love, don't give them some encouragement. The more noise you make, the better they'll perform for you.
Baby, take off your shoes. I'll help you take off your shoes. Baby, take off your dress. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And leave your hat on. And leave your hat on.
Love, don't give them some encouragement. And you'll be very, very embarrassed when you realize what you're doing. And you'll be very, very embarrassed when you realize what you're doing. What?
Naked, and I thought, why not?
You thought you're naked, why not? Ollie. Yeah, I'd keep my eye on him if I was you as well. How did you get naked?
I ain't got a clue.
You did it for him?
Think he attacked me?
You think he attacked you? What was it? What was it that man said to you? Not last year, the year before it must have been. You people shouldn't be allowed out. So do I. I made him pay for it though. They all look what? Come on, hurry up, we haven't got all day. You two girls, well. You can sleep and sleep. Hurry up, get your shoes back on and everything. Get your socks back on, thank you. Did you enjoy that, Richard?
No.
I think your darling might have something to say about that, you know that? Come along. Otherwise I'll make you dance with Ollie again. Do you want me to get Gemma up here to help you?
Alright.
Sorry?
Alright.
Hurry up then. We ain't got all day. That's it. Sit yourself down, relax and sleep. Cool. This is the bit I like because this is where everybody runs for cover. Talking to all of you now. When the next piece of music comes on, you'll all believe that you are in a lap dancing competition. First prize, £50,000. Now, you have two choices, boys and girls. You can go for your £50,000, or, if you fancy doubling your money, if you can grab hold of a waitress, a waiter, or any of the bar staff, and get them back up here and lap dance them, your prize money doubles to £100,000. So the choice is yours. You can either, for £50,000, you can either grab hold of your partner, bring them up onto the stage, give them the lap dance of their lives, Or, for £100,000, grab hold of any of the waiters, any of the waitresses, any of the bar staff, and your prize money doubles to £100,000. The choice is entirely yours. I don't want to wake off, you go. Decision's yours. Grab your partner for £50,000 or grab a waiter or waitress for £100,000. That's you dipped out. Nothing. Quickly! Let her put the glasses down at least. Excellent. Get him on that chair at the back there, that's it. Make it good. Hubba hubba. The better you make it, the more chance you've got of winning and getting paid. Panos, you know what happens when people sit on his lap. I think you should take the top off. If you can look down there, then okay, that's you done. I'll just let them get on with it now. I don't know. Yeah. And you're very, very embarrassed when you realise what you're doing. I think that's the season's best lap dance so far. Well done. Sit yourselves back down. I really hope that's cream all over the floor. Bye, boys. You know Shelley did that to get the cream off her. Sit yourselves down. I think without a shadow of a doubt, that's the best lap dance so far this season. Excellent. Well done, guys and girls. Oh, well, you don't need that for a minute. Promise you. I'll just put it over there by your chair. That better be cream on the floor. Relax and sleep. Okay. This is the last thing of the night. And this is your reward. I'm almost frightened to do this. And this is your reward for entertaining everybody as much as you have. When the next piece of music comes on, and I have